Hey, Wesley.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll look at the other side. Wesley and I are in Rittenhouse Square, where people have built a bunch of snowmans. And we just came to look here. Wesley, come over here. What is that?
That's snowman.
Yeah, that's a snowman. Come over here, you can see his face. Yeah. You want to hold Mommy's hand? Look, there's the snowman's face. You see, he has eyes and a nose and a mouth. Isn't that cool?
Go down.
Yeah, go back down. Okay, go ahead. Wesley is having lots of fun stomping around in the snow. What do you think, Wesley? You want to keep walking or do you want to get back in? You want to get back in the stroller or keep walking?
Walk that way.
Walk that way? Okay.